Hi, in this short video, I'm going to be going over task number 8, navigating and managing the menu that was covered in the white paper that's comparing two different websites. And the website that I'm going to be looking at right now is Wix. So to go ahead and get started, when you first open your Wix program in the browser, your page is going to look something like this without any editing done. And so here's your menu, and the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and click on it. And it'll give you several options: manage menu, navigate, and it'll give you some more like the layouts, the design, animate, stretch, and then of course help. Hopefully we won't need this function today. So the first thing that I want to do is change my colors, because I've kind of changed the different colors within my website already. I'm kind of going with the purples and the greens, but I don't really like this purple and I'm not sure whites throughout I want to go. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the design button. Now this gives me a whole bunch of choices, and it'll give me several different options already that are just here for me. And so there's some, and if I wanted to go more my green route, there's a couple options that are fairly similar. However, if I want to just do something on my own, I can go ahead and click customize, and this will allow me to choose any colors that I want. So if I want to work on the text, and maybe I don't like this white, and instead want to go with black, but that's not going to work well because then you still really can't see it, and I'm not really liking any of these colors that I can choose from here. So what I can go ahead and do is add a color. And if I want to stick with my green template, I could find a nice green, and maybe I'll go with a really light subtle green. I can go ahead and add that color, and then that's the color it will be. So all within this tool, you can go ahead and play around with it. You can change the font size. You can go ahead and change the main, like the one that you click on. So if you want that one to be a darker green, or maybe that one we want to be white, we'll go with white for right now. You can edit that as well. Once you're done and you're content with your design, you can go ahead and manage your menu. So for example, if you want your home to be your first one, you can just click on it and you can drag it up, and it'll go to the first place over here on your bar. If you have no idea what CV is and that's not something that you care about, you can go ahead and click here, and then you can rename it, and maybe you want to put your resume here, so you can go ahead and enter that, be done, and then you'll create a new page that'll be your resume. And again, if you want your contacts to be next, you can go ahead and lift that up and put that into your second, and then over here you'll see your home, and then your contact will be next. One of the other great features in Wix, again, is if you don't like where something is, you can easily click it and you can drag it somewhere else. And there we go. And again, I invite you to test out your own ideas. And as you can see, there's a lot of different options. So of course you can edit everything else within your website, but hopefully that will give you a good idea on where to start by simply managing your menu.